So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. You want to scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.